The 2024 BMW i7 is a state-of-the-art luxury vehicle, distinguished by its impressive assortment of automatic driving features designed to enhance safety and convenience. One of the most remarkable aspects of this is its adaptive cruise control system. Utilizing both radar and cameras, this system can keep a constant distance from the vehicle ahead, make steering and brake adjustments to maintain the car's position in the lane, and even handle stop-and-go traffic situations. This feature promotes not just comfort, but also safety in different driving conditions. Furthermore, the i7 incorporates an advanced lane centering system. Through the use of cameras, it can keep the vehicle precisely centered within its lane, regardless of the quality of lane markings. This system is particularly useful in circumstances where lane markings may be faded or missing, thereby ensuring a safer and more stress-free driving experience. To further boost safety measures, the i7 is equipped with automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. This proactive system uses radar and camera sensors to detect potential collision threats, be they vehicles or pedestrians. It's capable of autonomously applying the brakes, thereby averting or significantly mitigating the severity of an accident. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.